Hi, this is James from Super Bright LEDs. Today we're going to install our new combination LED light bar on this 2022 Can-Am Commander XT. This combination LED light is much brighter than similar bars on the market and does a great job lighting the way by using both spot and flood pattern to highlight what's ahead, and is easy to install. Included with the light bar is a DT pigtail as well as steel brackets for mounting. In this install, we will be using our universal mounting brackets for off-road LED light bars instead of the ones included. We'll also be using our wiring harness and a rocker switch, all available at superbrightleds.com. To start, find where you would like to place your light bar and where your power is located so you can determine how to run power to the light bar. Here we're running the power through an existing firewall pass-through. You can use the switch on the harness to power the light bar on and off, or you can use a rocker switch that integrates with your dash. To replace, simply remove the included switch from the wire harness and replace it with the rocker switch following the wiring diagram. Once installed, connect the power cable to your power source and enjoy your new light bar. I'm James with Super Bright LEDs, LED lighting for everything.